Look, we got ourselves one of those free marketplace lawnmowers. Let's see if we can get it running and mowing.
This thing is in absolute mint condition. Plastic's completely intact. Definitely doesn't leak any oil. Absolutely no rust. Steering has absolutely no play in it. And it's deader than dead. I think this one's a little too far gone to flip for a profit. So let's just see if we can get it running and mow the grass. No way that thing fired up that fast. I'm gonna get a new deck belt thrown on it, see if we can mow the grass. Well, I forgot to record me putting the deck belt on, but here's the old one. Pretty good shape. And I'm gonna call that a win.